Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. So I need to put the power 3 for the both sides to cancel about the cubic root, because we still have s, so I need to put number 4 go to the left. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, so we have 3u squared du equals to the s. First derivative of u to the power of 3, that's about this one. First derivative of s, you got about number 1, so we have the s. This one we change by u. S square, we have s, so we put this one go in here. The s we change by this one. Now, number 3, I will put in here. U and u, we have u square. Now, we need to expand this one. And we have u to the power of 6 minus au to the power of 3 plus 16. So about u to the power of 3 multiplied by u to the power of 6, u to the power of 3 and number 16. And now we have the final answer. The integration of u to the power of 9, you got about u to the power of 10 over 10. The next one is about u to the power of 7 over 7. And the next one is about u to the power of 4 over 4. And we put about c. So number 16 divided by 4, we have 4u to the power of 4. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.